Nigga dropping bitches off at the fucking crib. Not even one of them as cute as me, bitch. But it's all good. I try to teach her something, cause she don't wanna hear it, think she know it all. But it's all good, that's why I kicked her out. I drew that bitch a map to the shelter, get out. Fucking this my crib, yeah, you fucking bitch, you ain't making money, you ain't tricking, then you ain't shit. I don't know why my daddy fucking picked you up, but it's all good, I be asking that question tough. I don't know why he picked you up. Guess he thought you was cute when he was fucked up. Yeah, we stuck up. Got money pent up in the fucking couch. Got the fucking niggas fucking yelling fucking church. Look at that bitch crossing that street. Yeah. Fucking TY to your motherfucking DY. I got real hair and real fucking skin ply. I don't give a fuck. Your niggas gotta say. I know how to fucking push your buttons, yeah, babe. You know how the fuck I be talking about. This could go out to you and your mouth. Fucking here we go. We fucking Texas South. We gotta show these niggas that we from the South. Yeah, we making moves and we cutting up. Yeah, we pulling triggers, fucking busting up. Just freestyling in this fucking bitch. This the best instrumental that I can find. But I got a whole discography up in mind. If my screen wasn't broken, then I get mine. But it's cool, I know how to find a dude without the screen working. All in this bitch, fool. That's why you at work, thinking I ain't shit. But that's why I'm over here fucking flipping tricks. That's why when you come home tonight, you just gonna have to cry, cause I got that bus money, right? But don't trip on me. I should be your bottom dollar bitch as much as I save me. Fucking yes, you help more than me, you dig. But what about that shit that I fucking did back?
Let me see it tongue ring. Let me see it tongue ring.
And I don't got a tongue ring.
Let me see it tongue ring.
But I'm spitting fucking fire, fucking poison in this bitch, yeah.
Let me see it tongue ring. Let me see it
And I don't got a tongue ring.
Let me see it tongue ring.
But I'm spitting fucking fire, fucking poison in this bitch. Here we go, about to try to make a third verse, yeah we flow. Got a blunt sparked up in this bitch, smoking hydro when we sipping on some hen. Yeah, that's his drink, Gucci is his flavor, but I fucking got that shit better flavor. But I got his autograph and I wanna tap it, cause you get the nigga wanna pay a fucking white bitch. Hell no, get a fucking mixed bitch, got a fucking mud, got a super freaky slut, make it hella tough. Did I just say the S word? So shh, let is the fucking word. Now my don't test me, cause I'll come to your spot, Shiny Smith and Wessie. Fucking fully loaded, already cocked up, ready bust a nigga down, no silence up.
Let me see it tongue ring. Let me see it
And I don't got a tongue ring.
Let me see it tongue ring.
But I'm spitting fucking fire, fucking poison in this bitch, yeah.
Let me see it tongue ring. Let me see it
And I don't got a tongue ring.
Let me see it tongue ring.
But I'm spitting fucking fire, fucking poison in this bitch, yeah.